Yeah, I use my iPad Air 4 or iPad Air 2020 edition as a primary drive for entertainment and communication. And I use that with Apple Magic Keyboard for iPad Pro. Apple Magic Keyboard for iPad Pro works perfectly fine with iPad Air 4th generation. But there is an issue. Cause when I am in my studio, most of the time I sit on my desk and my neck feels a bit uncomfortable. That's why I wanted to find an option to raise this keyboard, to raise my iPad so that I always don't have to look down to the iPad. I have tried putting a box underneath my Apple Magic Keyboard. Yeah, for sure that helped me a bit to put my iPad a bit higher than usual. Then I have found my arm is a bit uncomfortable because I have to put my arm awkwardly on the desk. That's not a perfect solution. As usual, I have contacted with Pitaka and some other brands. So if there is any option for this, if there is any product, and yeah, Pitaka, they have sent me this iPad MagEZ stand. Another very good product, another premium quality product from Pitaka. But look at this, you can just swivel it around 360 degree. Of course, you have to have a Pitaka proprietary MagEZ case for this. I have made a separate video about this case a few months ago. I am in love with this case. But if you don't wanna buy a proprietary case, as Pitaka always do, always think about everything, does everything with precision, Pitaka offered a magic tape. Yeah, you just place that magic tape at the rear part of your iPad, any type of iPad, and you are good to go. Because this Pitaka MagEZ iPad stand, this one comes with a very strong and powerful magnet. Even you don't have to precisely align it. The strong magnet will do this for you. You just put your iPad somewhere near that stand and your iPad will get snapped to that stand. Now I can enjoy my videos whenever I want to watch YouTube videos, or even if I want to use my FaceTime or any other video conferencing, video chatting. This is really great. This brought a lot of comfort and convenience to my life. Now a lot of people would say, what about typing emails, browsing through websites? Yeah, personally I use my Apple Magic Keyboard too and Apple Magic Trackpad too. This gives me a totally desktop class setup and I'm pretty comfortable working with this setup. Now, as I've mentioned earlier, Pitaka always offers premium quality. If you're looking for quality, then there is no other brand that would offer anything better than Pitaka. And this stand, this one is made out of Kevlar aluminum, and every design, every cutout was well thought, well designed. There is a USB-C port underneath this stand, and yes, there is a reason for that. I will show you in a moment. Also, there is a LED light in front of the stand. Yeah, here you can see there is a Qi wireless charger attached at the bottom, at the base of the stand, and this one is a very fast one. I have managed to charge my iPhone and many other Android smartphones on this one at a very fast speed. Like me, if you have Pitaka protective case on your iPhone or on your Samsung Galaxy devices, you can slap those on this Pitaka MagEZ stand and enjoy some content or enjoy your work on this one. But this one is actually built for iPad Pro, iPad Air or any other iPads.